Hello, today we're going to talk about GBT cleanings. GBT cleaning is a gentle way of cleaning the teeth. It uses the airflow technology, which is a combination of warm water, air, and soft powder that removes all the biofilm and the bacteria from the mouth. Everyone should get GBT. It's extremely gentle. It is safe to use, especially around veneers, implants, and any restorations. It's safe for adults and children at the same time. On average, cleanings need to be done between 4 to 6 months, but that depends on the case. If there's any periodontal disease or gum disease, it should be done a bit sooner, every 3 months. But for an average person, every 4 to 6 months. My name is Faith Isayed. See you for your next GBT cleaning here at the Palm.